Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Katanat Arts and Culture jong ka Jilla Meghalaya ha ka jing lang bat ke MTB Skill Forge Mumbai hine ka sngi kalapalong ya ka jing ai Jinghikai ka bashisngi ne ka one day music education workshop and master class na ka benta ki Nonghikai bat ki Samla Pule ha ka piano guitar bat ka sur ha ka black box theater halarity mau ka siang ha ka ne ka sngi bakarpang layo ya ka Jinghikai na ukal Lutchmayer udukot jong ka MTB Skill Forge ha ka baki Nonghikai bat ki khana Pule na ki jaka ai Jinghikai ha ka put ka tem ki lawan bani shimbenta ha ka ne ka sngi ladon langru uba pol lingdo umintri badi pet ya ka tanat arts and culture kum ukongsan bat uba FR kharkongor u principal secretary ka tanat arts and culture kum usembot kongsan ha ka ne ka sngi la yo ru ban ngap ya ki jingtem jong ukal Lutchmayer bat ka jing rai na ki weide ki kinhun ki bawan bani shimbenta.
Very happy, basically. This got a lot of lessons, I've learned so many things from Sir. Basically, I've learned very much, like especially the digital incorporation with the traditional way of teaching. I've learned a lot about how the moods and all that, how to play them carefully and all that. And I'm very happy, and I guess all of the teachers and students also very much got a lot from our sir. And thank you so much, sir. Once again, thank you for the MTV skill. Thank you so much for coming to Shillong, and yeah. And yes, thank you so much once again from Professor Karl. And yeah, I hope that all of us together, like teachers and students, especially the teachers, when we go back to our respective schools, will be able to implement all the knowledge that we got from here, especially from Sir. And we'll pass on all what we've learned today to our students. And yeah,
around the world, and to find a government that is invested, interested, and adores music is wonderful. So it is wonderful to see the Chief Minister and the Director here. Thank you for joining us. I will play, as I promised, a short program. I've called it Night Visions because it's different scenes from night music. And of course, the night is a moment or a place of fear, and it's a place of comfort, and it's a place of imagination and horror and all of these things, and sometimes of restfulness. And I'm just going to explore in the Western tradition a few of those nighttime or liminal spaces where the words vanish and the sounds come and the thoughts sometimes evaporate. And I'm going to start with a little bit of Brahms. Brahms actually retired from composition at around the age of 60. He said, I've done all, eventually, I think he was 58, and I've done all that I wanted to do. And at that point, suddenly the dam opened, or the well gushed forth, and he carried on writing. He hadn't meant to, but he just kept finding pieces that he wanted to write. And so I'm just going to play one of those. It's an intermezzo. It's really a lullaby. And it's so fascinating, and I myself am a bachelor. Brahms was a bachelor, never had children. And the idea that here is a man writing a lullaby for a child he never had, and for a family he didn't have. And he himself says, it's a lullaby, but maybe it's for someone who didn't have children, or maybe someone who is sad later in life. But a lullaby is this gentle, lilting evening music. So I will play you a lullaby, Opus 117, number 1, by Brahms.
Abode of clouds, where music takes us from the clouds to cloud 9 all the time. And we'd like to see that such interactive sessions flourish. We are, as most of you would have learned by now, Shillong is India's music capital, a fame that we would like to thrive and flourish further. And I'm sure that, as I had said to Lina earlier on, most of us learned music by the ear. But now since the sky is the limit, we would like to explore the possibility of giving the best possible professional guidance to our composers, our instructors, our music teachers. And I assure you of the continued support of the state government, which, as Professor Karl had remarked earlier on, there has been a dwindling interest of government and government institutions in patronizing the arts. But here in Shillong, in the state of Meghalaya, this scenario is just the reverse. We are promoting our local musicians, and today they have not only gone global, but have been able to carve a niche for themselves very often. I thank you, Professor, and your entire team, and I wish that we will be able to sustain this effort in order to bring out the best in our young budding artists, and also we hope to see you more often. And yes, there's nothing like fusing the best that we have traditionally with what the rest of the world has. Thank you. God bless. Jai Hind.